Right everyone, I'm just going to show you what happens if you employ a cowboy roofer. In this building, I started working on it, it's had leaks over the years. They had the same roofer come back over about 5 years. It's gone over a tin of fiberglass, it's painted all around the leaks area, fiberglass over the lead, all the slates, the joints. Instead of doing a proper job, plus it never stopped leaking. It's even worse on the other side. So it's important to check people's reviews. If they look fake, they most likely are fake. But always check reviews and ask friends for recommendations, because this is what happens. And now half this roof needs stripping off just to sort it out. What's happened is it's actually causing more leaks now, what they've done, because it's creating like a channel for the water to get in, and it's leaking just everywhere. So now they've got an even bigger bill on what they would have done if they just got me out to sort it out from the very start. But this is what you're looking at if you get a cowboy out. Thanks for watching.